What if I tell you that you can streamline your content creation and boost your online presence all in one place? Adobe Express Content Scheduler is a powerful tool that allows you to create, plan, schedule, and manage your social media posts seamlessly. It's a game changer for content creators, marketers, and anyone looking to maintain a consistent online presence. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell to stay updated on all latest tutorials, reviews, and guides. Let's dive into the tutorial and see how it works. If you're new to Adobe Express, it has a plan which is free for web and mobile applications. Now I'm going to create a social media campaign for a Louis Vuitton brand from scratch. Before anything, include all the brand assets including the logo, trademark colors, as well as the font. Place the desired image on the canvas. I'm using the Instagram square template. For this example, I'm going to use this image of a lady with her bag. Please make sure you remove the background first by using the remove background tool. For the background, I'm using an LV trademark color, which is kind of a light brown orange color. Next, I'm going to go to the add your text tool. Type in your desired text over the image. You can use the same font from the brand assets folder, or you can choose any of the available text from Adobe Express. Align the text in the center of the image, and you can also adjust the line spacing as well. For a snazzy effect, I'm gonna choose a LV logo print over this visual. So now we're gonna place this logo print over the image, but place it backwards so that it is on the background instead. Next, we're gonna download SPNG file and it's ready to go. Now that your accounts are connected, let's set up a posting schedule. So click on the schedule tab. It will bring you to a calendar over here. Click on any of the dates. So for today is Sunday 19. Click on the new post. I'm gonna select Instagram, upload the visual that we have done just now. We're gonna create the caption for our post. A compelling caption can make or break a post. So Adobe Express allows you to write and save captions in advance. You can also include emojis and include hashtags. Once your content is polished and your caption is on point, it's time to schedule your post. Choose the date and time you want it to go live. You can choose schedule or you can publish now. So we're gonna choose this one and click on the publish button. As indicated on the calendar over here, it is now publishing. You can preview your social media posts that will appear on your social media page, and in this case on your IG. So this is how it looks like if you're gonna create your content from scratch. And there you have it. With Adobe Express Content Scheduler, you can take control of your social media presence, save time, maintain a consistent brand image, and of course, if you find this tutorial helpful, give us a like or thumbs up, and don't forget to comment below if you have any questions or any suggestions that you would like us to cover in the next future videos. So until next time, I'll see you again. Take care and have a great day.